Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to explain you how to place SL and target using our scalping software. Okay, so first select Nifty and 1 minute time frame, 8 strikes, load. Okay, paper trader. Next I am going to place order on 24900 C. Okay, right click the C side, 24900 C. Okay, here you select the lots, 10 lots, and I am just unchecking PE panel, so I'll stick on to CE panel only, and always on top option. This helps to place window on top of all windows. Okay, so we can place order easily. Font size increase. Okay, just click buy. This place order instantly without SL or target. So square of order panel SL. Here you place how many points of SL. I'm going to place 2 points SL and target 4 points. Okay, just click buy. Here you see the average price is 151.65 and SL is 149.65 and your target is 155.65. You can also move our SL like this, plus or minus, clicking the plus or minus. Okay, 24900. Okay, this is the strike in which we have placed order. Okay, our target is 155.65 here. Okay, my SL got triggered. This is how to place SL and target quickly using our scalping software. Next I will show you how to place SL and target after placing order. Okay, we have disabled SL and target here and placed order. Now if you want to place SL 20 points, and just click this SL and check this SL option and 1 point SL. Okay, and my target 2 points. Okay, SL got triggered. This is how to place SL and target after placing order. Okay, next I'll show you one more option, that is moving our SL to the low of the previous candle. Okay, here we have selected 1 minute time frame, so the 1 minute candle's low is placed as a stop loss. So please click the previous high or low, so the 150.30. Okay, this is the low of the previous candle and this SL is placed at the low of the previous candle. This is how to place SL quickly on the low of the previous candle. Okay, order is exited. Okay, I hope you understand all the possible way to place SL. I mean SL in points using our scalping software. And if you have any queries, please let me know in comments. Join our Telegram group to get more information. Please use the software at least once, because we are giving the software free till August 31. So please download and use at least once. Okay, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.